Konnichiwa, Lara-chan desu. Welcome to my channel. Since it has been raining a lot in Tokyo recently, I decided to make a video about some of the best things to do indoors in Tokyo. I went to Odaiba in Tokyo as there are a lot of things you can enjoy doing in Odaiba without getting wet from the rain. Odaiba is huge, so I highly recommend taking advantage of their free shuttles if you'd like to move from one place to another. Here is the free shuttle map guide for Odaiba. Some of the most popular places to visit in Odaiba are as follows: the Miraikan, or the Science Museum, Venus Fort, Dex Tokyo Beach, Diver City, and Aqua City. First on the list is to visit Miraikan, or the Science Museum. I was mind blown by the interactive exhibits where you can experience science and technology firsthand. I saw robots that looked like they were real human beings. It was kinda creepy, yet astonishing at the same time. Of course, I met the cutest and smartest robot in the world named Asimo. He walks, talks, hops, and plays football. It was really amazing. Rainy season is also one of the best times to go to a cafe. Odaiba has a lot of cafes to choose from, and I chose to go to Bill's, which is famous for their delicious and fluffy pancakes. I paired my pancakes with hot chocolate, perfect for the cold and rainy weather. There are also plenty of restaurants you can choose from that offer various delicious dishes. Strolling and shopping are also great ways to spend a rainy day in Odaiba. There are different kinds of shops, from famous ones to interesting ones. Clothes shops, cosmetics, home items, anime shops, and many more. I spent a lot of time in Venus Fort strolling around and taking photos of its beautiful interior that feels like you're in the streets of Europe. Finally, you may choose from a lot of fun and interesting activities, such as the Tokyo Joy Palace, which is an indoor amusement park with a variety of ride attractions, Madame Tussauds, Trick Art Museum, Legoland, Unko or Poop Museum, Typhonium VR Theme Park, Toyota Mega Web, and Team Lab Digital Art Museum. To cap the night off, and since the rain wasn't as heavy anymore, I decided to ride on the iconic Ferris wheel in Odaiba Pallet Town, which is one of Japan's highest Ferris wheels, where I saw a jaw-dropping view of Tokyo skyline, the Tokyo Tower, and Rainbow Bridge. There's literally a lot of things to do and places to go in Odaiba. That is why it's perfect both on rainy days and on days when it's dry inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave comments below if there's anything you would like me to vlog about. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see my next video. Thank you for watching! Arigatou gozaimasu!